Hello everyone, it's Dale here with weekly trade ideas for the week starting the 11th of March 2019. Let's start with intraday trading ideas and let's start with Australian dollar, Japanese yen. So all those charts are Australian dollar, Japanese yen. This chart shows weekly profiles. This one is flexible profile and this one is daily profiles. So the trading idea I wanted to show you is a short level, which is right there, and the level is based on the volume accumulation setup. It's based on those massive volumes accumulated within this long rotation, and as you can see, this rotation was followed by strong selling activity. So for that reason, I think that those volumes were volumes of strong sellers who were adding to their selling positions there, and afterwards they initiated this strong selling activity. So when the price makes it back to this level again, those sellers are likely to defend their selling positions and to push the price downwards again. This level is also very nicely visible on the weekly profiles. This is the level and those are the volumes, and also on the daily profiles. As you can see, this is a point of control of Thursday. Heaviest volumes on Thursday got accumulated at this level. So those are just another confirmations of the short level. Let's now go into the Australian dollar Swiss franc, where there's another strong intraday level. This time is a long level. This is the level. It's based on the volume accumulation setup again. It's based on those volumes which got accumulated before the start of this strong buying activity. What I also like about this level is that there was a strong rejection of lower prices, this pin bar, which indicates that strong buyers were rejecting the lower prices and afterwards pushing the price aggressively upwards. What I also like about the level is that there was a D-shaped profile in the last week, and D-shaped profile means that there is a temporary balance between buyers and sellers. And when there is a profile like that, you want to trade volume clusters like these, which are close to the extremes of the profile in the direction of the point of control. This is the point of control, so you want to target your trades in the center of the D-shaped profile, all right? And this level is based on those volumes, better visible on the flexible profile, or if we use the daily profiles, then we can merge those 2 days, and there you go. It's the lower level. I should delete this line. So that's the level based on the volumes. I think that the buyers who are adding their positions there and pushing the price upwards will be defending their positions again when the price hits this level, and I think that those buyers will be pushing the price upwards from this place again. Let's now go into the Swiss franc, Japanese yen. There is very nicely visible level there based on the volume accumulation setup. As you can see, there were massive volumes accumulated inside this rotation. Also, by the way, we can use the volume profile, the flexible volume profile, to look into it like this, to use the whole rotation. As you can see, still the heaviest volumes are at this level. So I think that sellers were accumulating their selling positions there at this level, and afterwards they were pushing the price downwards aggressively. So when the price makes it back to this level again, those sellers are likely to be defending their selling positions and to push the price downwards. If you look at the weekly profiles, then the level is very nicely visible there too. This is the point of control of the last week, which means that the heaviest volumes throughout the last week got accumulated in this rotation. Let's now go into New Zealand dollar, US dollar, where there are two strong intraday levels. Both levels are long levels, and as you can see from this longer term perspective, there is a downtrend. So taking longs is a bit risky, but as you can see, there were some strong buyers pushing the price upward. So it's not just the sellers on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. It's not as we were going against strong downtrend, all right? But it's a bit more riskier than usual trades, because the uptrend right there isn't that strong compared to this one. So anyways, the first level is right there, and the level is based on the trend setup. This is the uptrend, and there is very nice visible volume cluster created within the uptrend. So I think that buyers who are pushing the price upwards were adding to their buying positions there, to this volume cluster, and when the price makes it back to this level, those buyers will be pushing the price upwards to defend their buying positions. What I also like about this level is those two rejections of the level, and by the way there is a third right there, so 1, 2, 3. So those 3 rejections means that there was a strong resistance in the past, and when the price went past the resistance, it became a support. So we have very nice confirmation of the volume-based level. We have resistance becoming support setup, and also we have the trend setup. So this was the first strong long level, and the second one is right there, and it is based on the volume accumulation setup. It's based on those volumes which got accumulated before the start of this aggressive buying activity. So I think that those volumes, who are volumes of strong buyers, who are accumulating their positions, pushing the price upwards, and when the price makes it back to this level again, those buyers are likely to be defending their buying positions and to push the price upwards again. Let's now go into the euro dollar, and let's have a look at daily chart, where I would like to comment on the current development on the euro. The reason for that is that there was a really strong selling activity right there, this candle on Thursday, as a reaction to the ECB news, and currently we are almost at the low of this whole area. Well, if you look at longer term, then the euro was this low 2017, which is 2 years. So this is a pretty significant development on the euro, and there was a rotation for a very long time. I think that in this rotation, really heavy volumes got accumulated, and strong buyers or sellers were building up their positions there. And currently, it seems that there could be a breakout of this rotation, and this candle is really significant because this is the breakout candle. It broke this support and also this support. The first one's based on this pin bar, on this rejection. The second is based on this rejection, alright? So this candle closed past those two strong support zones, which is pretty significant development. Currently there was a little pullback, but nothing too strong. So what I currently think of the euro is that it could go downwards because of this red candle, and currently there are 3 strong resistances that could hold the price. So currently the first resistance is this area, which is based on those 2 lines I draw there, because those were strong supports and the price closed past those supports. It closed below those supports. So currently those supports work as a resistance zone. Those are strong resistance zones, and right now we are at this resistance zone. So it's possible that the price will turn from this level, from this area. And the second strong resistance is based on volumes. This one. It's based on those massive volumes. And if those really are strong sellers who will be pushing the price downwards into a new downtrend, then those volumes are strong sellers who will be defending their selling positions. So if the price makes it back to this level, those sellers could start selling again and to push the price downwards. So this is the second resistance. And the last one is this general area, this heavy volume cluster. And as you can see, this is basically where the strong sell-off started. So those volumes are likely volumes of strong sellers who will be defending their selling positions if the price makes it back to this general area. So there is a third resistance on the euro. I wouldn't be really surprised if the price reacted to the first one and went into the downtrend. But it also can happen that it will go back into this rotation and it will react to either of these resistances, but those are the strongest resistances on the euro dollar right now. So that's about it, guys. That's for the weekly trading ideas. By the way, there is the crazy sale which I'm running on the membership plus volume profile pack. If you go to my webpage and click this webinar sale button and scroll down this page, then there is this box where you can get the webinar special sale. It will end in 1 week. So if you want to join my trading course and also get the volume profile pack for absolutely lowest price, then you don't want to miss this opportunity. So that's about the video, guys. I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading.